Today, we're comparing two of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop systems on the market, the MOVA Mobius 60 and the Roborock Saros 10. Both are premium, fully automated cleaning systems designed to minimize hands-on maintenance, but they take very different approaches to navigation, mopping performance, obstacle handling, and overall design philosophy. If you're deciding between these two, those differences really matter, especially if your home has pets, taller thresholds, mixed flooring, or low clearance furniture. Special thanks to MOVA for sponsoring this video, as we take a closer look at what sets the MOVA Mobius 60 apart from the Roborock Saros 10. Be sure to check the links in the video description for more details. Starting with the MOVA Mobius 60, this robot is built around maximum cleaning power and adaptability. It delivers an extremely high 30,000 pascals of suction, placing it at the top of the category for raw debris and hair pickup, especially on carpets. One of its standout features is its mop swap system, which uses 3 physically interchangeable mop pads, each designed for a specific cleaning task. The thermal hold mop uses heat lock technology to break down greasy residue, making it ideal for kitchens. The plush mop features ultra-soft fibers for delicate surfaces like hardwood, while the Hyper Clean mop is a composite pad designed for balanced, whole home cleaning. Rather than relying on a single pad to handle every surface, the Mobius 60 physically adapts its mopping hardware to match the job at hand. On carpets, its dynamic suction retention system lowers a pressure baffle when carpet is detected, creating a semi-sealed space that increases effective suction for deeper carpet cleaning. Mobility is another major strength, thanks to its Stepmaster System 2.0, which uses retractable robotic legs to lift the chassis over thresholds, door tracks, and obstacles up to 3.14 inches, with single vertical steps up to 1.98 inches. Navigation is handled by FlexiScope Navigation, which uses a retractable DTOF sensor that lowers to fit under low furniture and raises in open areas to provide a wider field of view. For homes with pets, the Mobius 60 places a strong emphasis on hair management by combining 30,000 pascal suction with a triple anti-tangle system and a turbo wave dual brush designed to prevent hair wrap while keeping noise and maintenance low. All of this is supported by an all-in-one base station that handles dust emptying, water refilling, mop washing, and charging, featuring a 212 Fahrenheit washboard system that aggressively dissolves residue and keeps mop pads hygienic. It also includes advanced close-range obstacle detection through AI SmartSight technology, which uses structured light and 3D scanning to improve visibility and recognize over 240 different obstacles. The Roborock Saros 10 takes a similar design approach, prioritizing ultra-low height and advanced perception. Its most defining trait is its 3.14-inch ultra-thin body. This allows it to clean under beds, sofas, and cabinets that many robots simply cannot access. Navigation is handled by the RetractAscent navigation system, which uses advanced 3D sensing combined with lowering its LDS system. This system is designed to recognize and adapt to over 100 obstacle types, including cables and irregular furniture legs, and it excels at navigating visually complex spaces. Suction power on the Saros 10 tops out at 22,000 pascals, which is lower than the Mobius 60, but is still firmly in flagship territory. Roborock focuses heavily on mechanical anti-tangle solutions, using a dual-divide main brush, a flexi-arm riser side brush, and anti-tangle omnidirectional wheels to virtually eliminate hair wrap. Corner and edge cleaning is a strong suit, with the flexi-arm side brush reaching further into corners. It also has an additional tiny mop pad on the side for closer edge mopping. The industry-first adaptive lift chassis allows the Saros 10 to lift its wheels and mop assembly independently, clearing obstacles up to 4 centimeters and automatically lifting mops on carpet. Its multifunctional dock 4.0 is one of the most feature-rich docks available, offering 60-day dust collection, automatic detergent dispensing, 176 Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, 140 Fahrenheit hot air drying, dock self-cleaning, and fast 2.5-hour charging. On the smart side, Roborock includes the Hello Rocky offline voice assistant, deep app customization, and an onboard RGB camera that enables two-way video calls, pet finding, and remote viewing. When you look at similarities, both robots are clearly designed for hands-free ownership. They each offer fully automated docks with self-emptying, mop washing, drying, and water refilling. Both support advanced obstacle avoidance, strong suction performance, automatic mop lifting on carpet, and anti-tangle systems built for pet hair. These are not basic robot vacuums. They are full cleaning platforms meant to replace daily manual vacuuming and mopping. The differences become much clearer once you break things down feature by feature. Starting with navigation, the Mobius 60 uses a retractable D2F sensor that physically adjusts based on clearance needs, while the Saros 10 relies on similar yet slightly different systems, which is what enables its ultra-thin design. In terms of raw suction, the Mobius 60 holds a noticeable advantage at 30,000 pascals compared to 22,000 pascals on the Saros 10. Mopping performance also separates these two, with the Mobius 60 operating at a higher 260 RPM vibration rate versus 220 RPMs on the Saros, and offering physically swappable mop pads designed for specific cleaning tasks and floors rather than a single do-it-all pad. Obstacle clearance is another major point of differentiation. The Mobius 60's Stepmaster system can handle single thresholds up to 50 mm and double layer thresholds up to 80 mm, while the Saros 10 relies on chassis lifting that clears about 10 mm for single thresholds and up to 40 mm for double layer transitions. Charging speed favors the Saros 10 with a 2.5-hour fast charge, whereas the Mobius 60 places more emphasis on overall runtime efficiency. At the dock, the Mobius 60 uses a larger 3.2-liter dust bag compared to the Saros 10's 2.5-liter capacity. Mop drying temperatures also differ, with the Mobius 60 drying at approximately 145 degrees Fahrenheit within 1 hour, and the Saros 10 drying at 140 degrees. For hot water mop washing, the Mobius 60 once again runs hotter at 212 degrees Fahrenheit compared to 176 degrees on the Saros 10. In practical terms, the MOVA Mobius 60 is built for homes that prioritize maximum cleaning power, aggressive hair removal, high temperature sanitation, and the ability to handle tall thresholds and complex floor transitions. The Roborock Saros 10 is better suited for homes with very low furniture clearance, dense layouts, advanced obstacle detection needs, and users who value smart features like onboard camera and voice control. Both are excellent, but they are excellent in different ways. And choosing the right one really comes down to how your home is laid out and what you value most in daily cleaning performance.